Hey guys, so today welcome back to my channel. This is me and something new. I just do stuff on here to show you how to do stuff on an Android. I have an Android Galaxy 2A4. So what I'm gonna be doing is showing you what to do is how to set your ringtone. Okay, first what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to download a few little. First you gotta download some apps. One app that you're gonna have to download is gonna be MP3 Music Downloader. So, don't say anything about this. It's really difficult. It's not really a difficult app or nothing like that. It's just that you have to be smart in how you do it. So let it load this stuff. Then you want to see this. Start your search. Search music by song, title, artist name, or album. Search up any song you want. I'm just gonna put in something ugly, something funny. Hold up. It's not really working. My keyboard not working. Shark. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, you want to play? She was my music. You can use anyone you want. I put my video. And if that's the one that you want to use, you just got to play it and hit download. I'm going to show you another little few ones. Then you do the same thing with the same music. Okay, then another app that you're going to download is going to be ES File Explorer. Exploring. Then you're going to swipe the screen over. One time, it's going to go in this, we got to swipe it again. And go to the downloads file, and you're going to see all the songs. I got Nameless, I got Act Up, I got Worth It, I got Wrong, I got Twerk by City Girls, I got Period, We Lie, I got Really Real, and I got My Baby Sister Picture. And I got Tighten Up MP3. So the third I'm going to do, I'm going to put, I'm setting that one as my ringtone. So you can go set ringtone, set ringtone. So I'm going to go change that notification. Now I'm going to set ringtone. Then I'm going to go to notification. Then that's it.